let me explain some of the meanings of the word order. Order. O-R-D-E-R. Order. If I say, stop, stop, put your hands up. Stop, put your hands up. That's a command. That's an order. I'm ordering you to stop. I'm giving you an order. A command and an order are the same thing. If you are in a restaurant, the waiter might say, have you decided what you want? Are you ready to order? Have you decided? Are you ready to order? Sometimes you might hear place an order. They placed an order for 2 pizzas to be delivered later. They placed an order. In order. If I say to you, put these letters in order. In order. You say, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, those are in order. If I say, put these cards in order, I want them in order. And you say, okay, so 8, 9, 10. Okay, those are in order. Somebody might say to you, okay, it looks like everything is in order. Everything's in order here. The expression in order to means almost the same thing as so that. You have to study if you want to learn. You study in order to learn. You study in order to learn. It means you have to do one thing so that another thing will happen. You eat good food in order to stay healthy. I use letters sometimes in order to explain a lesson. Using numbers, working with numbers is called mathematics or math. A kind of easy mathematics is called arithmetic. When you are little, when you are young, you have to go to school to learn reading, writing, and arithmetic. This is a symbol, a sign. This symbol is the sign or the symbol for addition, a process. A process is like a recipe. A process called addition. The verb is to add. This is also called the plus sign, the plus sign. This is the symbol or the sign for subtraction. The verb is to subtract. Also called the minus sign. This is the sign for multiplication. Multiplication, hard word. Multiplication, to multiply. This is the sign for division, to divide. And this is the sign for equals. The equal sign means the same. Equal means the same as. The same as. So this is the addition sign or the plus sign, and it means to add something together. So how would you say this? How would you say this process? You could say 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or you can say 3 and 2 are 5, or some people say is 5. 3 and 2 is 5, 3 and 2 are 5. You could also say 3 and 2 makes 5. Or you can say if you add 3 and 2, you get 5. If you add 3 and 2, you get 5. Or you can say 3 added to 2 makes 5. Or 3 added to 2 is 5. Or you could say 2 more than 3 is 5. 2 more than 3 is 5. Okay, that's addition. This is the sign or the symbol for subtraction. The verb is to subtract. It's called a minus sign. So how would you say this? You would say 10 minus 6 equals 4. Or you can say 6 subtracted from 10 is 4. Or you can say if you take 6 from 10, you get 4. Or you can say 10 less 6 makes 4. More or less is a pretty common expression. It means approximately. How long are you going to be gone? How long are you going to be gone? I'll be gone 2 weeks, more or less. About 2 weeks. 2 weeks, more or less. This is the symbol or the sign for multiplication. To multiply is the verb, to multiply. How would you say this? You'd say 4 times 5 equals 20. Sometimes this is called the times sign. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 5 equals 20, or 4 times 5 is 20. Or you can say 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, or equals 20. Or you can say 5 fours makes 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fours makes 20. This is the sign for division, the symbol for division. To divide is the verb. How would you say this? You would say 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. Or 9 into 72 goes 8 times. So those are the symbols, the signs in arithmetic, the processes to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. The signs for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. If this is a small glass, and this is a medium-sized glass, and this is a big glass or a large glass, what size is this? That's a tiny, tiny glass. Something that's very, very small is called tiny. If this is a large glass, what is this? That's huge. That's huge. Huge is a word for something that's very, very big.